How to connect Claude AI to Google Drive. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, just open your Claude app on the web browser. Now click on this plus icon right over here. Go to add connector, click on browse connectors. Now as you can see Google Drive here. Now if you can't see the Google Drive option over here, just search on the search bar Drive. Okay, so at Google Drive, click on connect to Claude. Okay, use your account email. You can also use another account if you want. Just put your email and password. Click on continue. Alright. Now as you can see, I can access my files over here. So what you have to do, just click on this plus icon. Click on connectors. Now from here, go to click on add from Google Drive. So connectors and add from Google Drive. And you can add your files directly from here. I'm going to show you that. So as you can see, I've selected a document over here directly from Google Drive into the Claude. So I'm going to ask it a question. As you can see, I've asked, tell me about this file. Now I can read all the content inside my file into this chat. So Claude has responded. This is a Game Studio presentation template, specifically a PowerPoint. Now if you want to manage your connection into the Claude with Google Drive, just go on your profile icon on bottom left corner. Here, click on settings. Now go to connectors right over here under customize. And as you can see your Google Drive over here. Click on it and you can disconnect wherever you want. So that's it for the video.